Hey guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 8883 Glass. Today I am in Kinnelon, New Jersey, just completing an installation here of a steam seal shower enclosure. We've got a full-size door for the opening space. We're using brushed nickel hardware. We've got an operable transom above, and we've secured this with top and bottom U-channel. So we've made this actually because there's a toilet here, not necessarily in the way of the door, but the door stops at 90 degrees. So just to make it a little easier for the clients, instead of walking through here or walking into that corner there, closing the door behind them so that they can exit the bathroom, we've made this a double acting door instead. So what that means is double acting, meaning that the door can go both in and out. As you see, it stops at 90 degrees so it doesn't hit the back wall. And this is what I was referring to, this little walkthrough. Even though there's tons of space here, but the vanity hasn't been installed, and I believe it begins somewhere over here. So we have here vinyl seal, and the door opens both in and out. Transom above. The right way to open a transom is this way. That vinyl strip along the top keeps it from opening the opposite direction, because that's not how the steam is going to fold up into the vent. Okay. We use that as an artificial strike. And we close it up. Okay. So usually for steam seals, I like to do a sound test. So for all you sports fans out there, we're using Stephen A. Smith. And if you guys know who this guy is, he's very loud.
That implemented and act these policies against these athletes.
He's not really in a rant right now, so.
Lots of whom are African American.
But that's with the door open.
And you recognize the fact that you have a white power structure in place.
Got a nice little echo. All right, there's a little sound test there with Stephen A. Smith in the background. And he's not in his rant today for some reason. It would have been more effective for the sound test, but it is what it is. All right, if you need one of these, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at njglassdoors.com or at 888-83-GLASS. Thank you for watching.